this is the community of American truck drivers. Welcome to another video.
Be coming up on it here in a second. I'm southbound at the 144.
Uh, 534, 1386. Okay, I've got 7 or 8 vehicles supposedly up 31, 271 southbound past 77.
1386 Canton, we got quite a few here. 271 north, just north of 77. There's another commercial one.
He also failed to get a rebound.
Okay, so you got it northbound also?
LeBron said, quote,
Right, northbound, just south of 303, it's going to be a 32.
Freaking mess. Woo-hoo. Mm-hmm. 1386, how far north are you? How far north are you?
I made it to the northmost vehicle involved, and we're down at the very bottom of the hill, starting where I can see the 303 sign.
All right. $15, $20. Why don't you come here with me? Two. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 534 can.
Good.
This is a 13 as far as I can tell now.
You guys 1331? Or 13 vehicles in the 31?
Yeah, 13 cars. I don't know how many crashes we got. Involves 3 semis.
What's going on?
Mess.
All the way down there too?
Yeah, there's another one just like this down there. I guess we want to go ahead and get on to the commercial wreckers. We're going to need a lot.
Thank you for watching. Bye bye.